Welcome to Making Money, Making Music. And, no matter how you found your way here, I'm just so happy that you did. I'm excited to teach you and help you get gigs that actually pay and pay consistently. My name is Emilio. Over the last 30 years, I've performed thousands of shows, and I've compiled all of my life's experience as a professional working musician into what I call the M4 system. Most musicians struggle to get consistently paying gigs, and it is not because of a lack of talent. It's because nobody actually shows them how to turn their performances and their music and their work into actual steady income. And that's why I created Making Money, Making Music. And I call it the M4 system. The M4 stands for music, mechanics, marketing, and momentum or money. And together we are the M4 tribe. And we help each other, we support each other, we talk about the gigs that we've done, the gigs we want to do, the preparation, the gear, the music, the set lists, and everything in between, all in our community. Now, as a sign up bonus to just join the community, which is free, I've included a PDF called the M4 Gigging Map. It's a quick guide to 7 places where musicians actually get gigs that pay, and it's a fast way for you to start taking action immediately. So join the community today, grab your M4 Gig Map, and start turning your music into a career that pays. Whether you're just starting out or you're already gigging, this system and community give you the roadmap to stay consistently booked. I am so excited to have you here. I look forward to meeting you, and I look forward to communicating and sharing all my information and exchanging ideas and getting out there and getting paid to play. See you inside. Thank you.